Hello people, welcome back to a new video. Tonight I've organised a little mini meet not too far from myself, so I thought I'd film it because we're coming towards the end of the year. I'm going to try and get this video up on New Year's Day for you guys to watch. So yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic start to the 2021, because 2020 has been awful. So happy New Year to you all, and big things are coming in 2021 on this channel, so watch out. I'm going to head out in the RS6. You might not have seen this car on the channel before, you've probably seen it on my Instagram. My Instagram will be on screen now, but I will be doing a full featured video on this Audi RS6 in the next coming month or so, so watch out for that. But yeah, let's take the RS6 to the meet and see what turns up and see where the night takes us. Parker in the M2 and Carl Parker, his brother, in the M3. You might remember his first car before that, because he had a 450 horsepower M140i. You might remember this car because I've filmed this car before on my channel, and it's had a few more bits to it, done to it. But yeah, I'm fucking freezing. We're gonna get in the RS6 and we're gonna head on to the meet. Right, we just got on location now. I'm not getting out of the car because it's absolutely pissing down, but yeah, we've got a few people that have turned up already. Got people over there, we have people here, we have people here. We have two nice cars over there, and the rain is getting me wet. Yeah, this is not the best weather for a meet like this. Got a few more arrivals, got a nice white Mark III RS there, and then behind that looks to be another one, or an ST. Well, it looks like an ST actually, might be an RS, I'm not too sure. And then that's definitely an ST with an RS wing, it might be an RS, I'm not sure. And then here comes Carl Parker in the M3.
Shut down, mate. There he is.
Got an Audi RS6 V10 there.
Oh, he's got RS60 red as well. Here's the number plate.
Got Lee Lockwood there in the E92 M3 in a stunning red colour. Cheeky.
Said you want me to let you out. Just stand at the entrance.
bit of a chaos in here at the moment. There's the RS6 that we came in.
There he is.
The second V10 RS6 of the meet. So the police have turned up, as you can see there.
People in.
I think they're trying to block people in.
They have done.
Oh dear. The police have blocked both entrances off, so we're going to go have a look now. Yeah, a bit of a chaos tonight. Yeah, the police have blocked everybody off. I've just come across this lovely GT86.
They were probably coming to it.
Yeah, there probably was coming to it, but not now. People, I'm going to end the video off there. Happy New Year, hope you have a good one. There's Kate and Lee Lockwood in the M3 there, because the police are just swarming every single location that we go to. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been quite eventful tonight. Hope I got a good enough footage for you guys to watch. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2021 for hopefully a better year.